Assalamu alaikum friends, new mission added in Xenia wallet and I will provide you all the correct answers. So quiz number 1, option 4 is the correct. Quiz number 2, option 2 is the correct. Quiz number 3, option 4 is the correct. Quiz number 4, option 3 is correct. Quiz number 5, option 1 is correct. Quiz number 6, option 3 is correct. Quiz number 7, option 4 is correct. Quiz number 8, option 2 is correct. Quiz number 9, option 1 is correct. Quiz number 10, option 4 is correct. And here you see I earn additional 1000 gems as all the answers correctly. So goodbye friends.